Hey, my people. This one and I waited to happen for Anambra State. And this is a case between a native doctor and his client. I want you to listen to the story of how this native doctor scammed his client, a young lady, over 60 million naira. But unfortunately for the native doctor, through the help of Governor Eziokwu, the man has been arrested. I want you to watch the video, listen to the full story, how everything started, and what led to the lady sending over 60 million naira to this native doctor. And also watch the video when the man was arrested. See everything and let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you.
A native doctor in Anambra State scammed somebody, a lady, 16 million naira. And before I go further to bring this matter to your hearing, this native doctor will pay this money. Doesn't matter, because they have their evidence. They even have his chats, his call conversation with them. So I want to call this lady who was, let me call, the brother reached out to me first. So I had to investigate this matter for about 2 or 3 days. And I'm going to talk to them afresh here on this camera so that you can be very sure of what I'm talking about. So I stopped recovering of funds because of the way our society, people don't appreciate good. That was why I stopped it, not because you offended me. I will recover money for somebody, hand over that money back to that person. Some of them, after that period, they will call you that time. Their family members will call you. After some time, you won't hear from them again. Hello? Brother, good morning. Good morning. I am calling you from a live section now. Oh?
Okay, sir.
Can you repeat me here again? I want to go on.
Okay. My sister, Onogidel. You know, that change the way maybe because somebody na a governor. But at the time, because I know when I joy. I hope ya. So more than the first to Jubia Kelu, what is happening? Okay, in a minute. Or this thing down along one. First was there before there was no somebody, no one man, a native doctor. So along the line, the man on Balanka discuss was there. So now what the man said, no will go on well, I'm not on Jagan, we're born. Not your batana, the couple no year about a number, or not fear no year about a number. The man was here, okay. Naga a good Italian. When I got 13,500,000 naira. 13 million 5. That's easy. One. Okabalia story. Number MSR. Here can 1 month to go, 2 months, like 3 months to go, you know. So my sister got this worried. Who's Oku? So the man got 3 Bazia. She say, no native doctor cover. No game me anchor, no game me anchor. No guy. So the thing be a wicked again. Omeze abịara na quiet na na-atụzi ụjọ for njubaze okwukweze all those things. So say kekwa ndị ana onye hịrị ana kekwa na ego onye lọrọ ego na onye net so na ọ ga-agbagbu gị na ọ ga-esend ndị ga-agba ka egbe na ọ ga-emere nke na ọ ga-eme gị nke ọzọ. So ọkwụsịrị ndị bịa gwụ m ikpe mgbe sị na ihe na m ga-akpọ can go salary, even the somebody NASA, one boy NASA about the man. They are against the man. They are against the man. So the man where we are here, noble a witness with this girl. Okay, we are not getting your job, not getting me. So about the boss here, I go and call again. Yeah. Go pushing the girl. The boy said no need the ego. No answer. Yeah, Eziokwu uche omenala. Na nwa mo goes with meze di oma. Then nye ego nya balance this girl egia o wala na nya. Onya me na choro the the boy. So my sister kita knows na abogari. So I can't just come.
Your sister not there?
Yes, my sister on ever.
Oh yeah, please give her the phone.
Joy, yeah. Governor Eziokwu. Yes, we everything.
Okay. Joy, how are you? Check email. Okay. Before I go for the answer, I need you to answer me.
Okay.
Before you go ahead to explain to me what happened, did you ever sleep with the native doctor?
So I don't even sleep with them. Even I got a cable or say more, which is I'm paying him. And when I don't room ego times 2 when I room more because that period I'm at the more as in that period now that period I'm not saying and the maybe name got an aberia. So she had that money monkey one no I don't even sleep with them.
Okay. Now, can you tell me a little in a short minute in which how the thing happened?
Okay. The Onisi matter the man that the main investment a shop even so and the more about the only person na is my guy, you understand? So the naga represent them madu afuso ni mwashi ebezia kwa so the man the woman semo ne nkwara onye dibia do tana na emepete kumienda na I go the place. Okay, guide the place gwacha mi ye mere na ye na ge mi say na with 70,000 naira. I get you so one money. Understand? So we take the money. Yeah, it's or do quite this year was the good that we caught. So my mother was so saying I don't know the team to go the team. Okay, so all these spiritual sentiment didn't really man do. Then I so when now so they are gone here. When I require some or and which is no wrong, you understand? So, but when I say, to say, but more with my spirit, I will not even get to the married man. Understand? And the more I was mortgage. Okay, so, I put a say, because I check the dream, year daughter, and they will buy for you, and I know, now, or the thing or gaga or you can that's you buy. Or something like that, thing of you. I'm going to teach you that place. Now we take the money. I will take the money. I don't waste get banded. We're not now war. I'm going to waste. We're not now for giving our own. So okay. So I'm going to go around. I smoke it. And never when you did the annoying when I'll give me that kind of thing. Eat the money. We may not mortgage. We are not one year. Up on me and there's one house that I'm going to so one wine. My senior sister. I got the put their food. They're going to share the understand. So I was now back with that 30 million five. Of whom was that thing was scam. Now when I am going to pay again, got not 60 million five. Now going to pay again. Okay, and that's one way and then young for. I meet with the man camera workshop. No one why is so. Jane and Kevin or not, so my dear. Now real so much I say the video. I send the Maka Anna. So with the voice no money, the agent with the and the moment I'm going to that man was scam, go to the scam, and work I got the place. The boy dry, Ghana the place. That man said, go work and keep his no bonny man, or God that make it die. Also, Madame, or ever to go the Anna. Now that man just get back to the Anna. Nadia the out one. And this is that time, or only be any information for me. I was scam, go to the scam, and I got for the fund. Or cho and also be able to put away. I will not that money. I say okay. I know that man, that boy, I put on. So yeah, for that boy, I got cause it and I don't even do it because I only how when you're able for photocopy within a computer forge. And say I only want to send here your out one. Or say the boy, why you get you but I will reward the place. Or the boy got what you and take out to go irrigation. I already put my 5 years. Okay, now see okay. Now that what I'm the 5 years already. So yes, and I have to say the case. He said to them that the boy, you're going to go near brave. Even I'm not get the boy self. One thing, and I want to wake up, but the boy say now, many characters with me. Not to you in your brave, or make sure or they over the case, but I got to go share the agent or Brunia Cable. Because I don't go, but not the going to another. There was another go. Now you made this guy as a man. There were Bono and Hurry, Itibia. Understand? So, yeah, I did the boy, sees the phone, the boy with the phone, then as we were that day. Now, phone, delete a number that boy. And the man, I'm not that boy with aging number, only the boy. I'm not that boy can happen. So, all kind of things, so, yeah, some more. Rush no be okay, net threaten. You didn't have to 2 times. Even can you hear that? Oh, I have a moment when you hear them. They didn't say one go serve. Once a million to issue from the Anambra shift. For when second one, I better someone I know you're breathing. Instead, the man be a wasting my life, not a man and shift to what they have the man on.
Okay, hold on. After the man threatened again, and when they were confront Oge, right?
Because when I go by 5 o'clock, 4 o'clock, and I go in show before that man I travel to outside country. And then I put in show to have a Luciana, don't close on. So one of them say, Obama, Honda, some more with preach and say, some nobody want to come to this man with the main vote at $1,500,000. Nobody me. Sorry, Babu. Now you may no, also get the I deliver the message now. I'm going to number of the man and national Anambra State. So according to demands, it deliver go man.
Give one year.
I'm one Anambra.
The man of one Anambra, right?
Nando.
Okay, please, Kafia.
After Bochos on one as Odogwu and Nando na Nkpor.
Okay, name number. But that money, did you pay that money through transfer or cash?
Through transfer, area 11,500,000 through transfer. You understand? Based on 11 million through transfer, 2.5 million cash. Bob and interest, and that is the last. Come to that or someone know and then on. You understand? I didn't know when I'm bobbing one and for nothing can my own you understand? And which is none the truth where everything. Only you understand that period.
Hold on. The 11 million email has transferred. Did you send the money to his own account?
His own account, even the transaction process not with me.
Send me his number. Send me his number and the transaction details. That man will pay that money. He's a fool. Send the details to me right now. What evidence can the girl send them? Olori Okobambam, you said I am angry this morning. Yes, now I got to be angry. The man's account number is Fidelity Bank. I don't want to call the account details, the account number. And the transaction slip is here. This is the first transfer. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, I'll play my song. The first one is 4,655,000. The next one, 2 million naira. Another one, how much is this one? This one is not clear. Another one, 1 million. Another one, 1 million. Another one is 370,000. Another one, 480. I have this native doctor's picture here, and she sent to me. His name is Chibuzo Hyacinth O Mwani. He's from Anambra State. Let me call the man first. Let me call him first. I just have to call him first. The way they do, they will always brag, make noise. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
I'm Dr. Chibuzo. My name is Governor Eziokwu. You will keep on the internet. Governor Eziokwu can happen. Yes, okay, somebody with a complaint to me. Besides, about someone it's not only me that is listening to you. My whole team is listening to you now. And we one lady about Joy. O weta complain na o nyere gị ego dị igotara ya ana na igotara ana iwe narị ya 13 million naira. The evidences of transaction is with me here. And we are calling you with all due respect. Can I know from you? Can I know exactly what happened? That's why nji kpọọ gị now.
Ọ bụrụ eziokwu ka ọ na-ekwu.
Okay.
Ọ bụrụ eziokwu ka ọ na-ekwu.
Ka o si mee sa?
Ọ bụrụ ife anyị ekwu na fon.
Ka ebe anyị kwesịrị ịnọ kwuo ya sa?
Nyanwa na onwe ya bụ onye mkwuru ya. Akwa jere kpọta ndị kọtụ ka fa bịa gbaa m egbe.
Sa ọ bụrụgodo okwu ndị kọtụ ka m na-ekwu. Ihe m na-ekwu bụ I nwere ike ịnụ exactly what happened, how the transaction of 13 million naira managed to go into your account. Hello? Sorry, network na-enye nsogbu.
Hello?
Network was disturbing, so m kpọzie gị normal call. So, anyị chọrọ ịmara ka ihe si mee. Exactly.
Ihe melie bụ na mụ na ya na-abụ na-aga n'iru na nwata na-ekwu kịta. Then ọ bịara kwe nkwa ana. Kwe nkwa efi oyi akpụta kwe nkwa ana. Along the line, ọnụ a na-alụlụ ya na-agazi ogo about ani ogolu na Asaba. Almost 9 plots. Nkwa ahụ ọ kwezịrị na-alụsị, ọ bịara bịa mezuo nkwa ahụ ọ kwere. Ị na-anụ ihe m na-ekwu? So na onyanwa otu a ka o si wee dị.
Okay, maka na ọ bịara bịa mezuo dị nkwa ọ ya ka esi narị ya 13 million.
Anarọ m ya n'ego onye ọkwa na nkwa ka ọ kwụrụ ụgwọ ya.
13 million.
Ọkwa na nkwa ka ọ kwụrụ ụgwọ ya.
Okay, before ọkwọ 13 million, o nwere ike o make go like 200 million now. O nwere ike arụsị efe dobe ya.
O mekigo ya na o goro almost about 9 plots of land na Asaba.
Okay.
Na otie na-ekwu.
Okay, sale anya
Makasị a na ebe niile.
Okay, no problem. Lee enwe ebe that woman dere agreement na ọ ga-akpụta efi weta na bịa nye arụsị. Was there any agreement?
Na arụsị ka ọ kwere nkwa.
Okay, ịma ihe mere pay back 13 million naira to that woman from now till 10 days. Pay her back that money. Then the arụsị send the arụsị na arụsị je gba anya ụgwọ. Arụsị ka o kwere nkwa, not you. He has dropped the call. Let me call him again. Let me send him a voice note. You may have dropped my call, but you have never run out of this whole matter until this money is paid back to this lady. Sir, with all due respect, let me assure you with the last drop of my blood that you will pay this money in shame. From now henceforth, just go and watch. I give you 10 days only. I know why I had to push it to 10 days because it is not easy to raise such money. In less than 10 days, get that lady's account, pay back that money to her. It's not like in the court. Many people right? Is there any way this? Go and ask your lawyer. Is there anywhere you write any agreement or you wrote any agreement with this lady that no gonna compensate the ROC? Look at how stupid some of you are. Let this voice note serve as an evidence at the end of the day. The day we will get you, I will play this thing also on the social media that people may see or hear. Don't forget that I warned you. Don't forget that I want to today. Now I refund all this lady. 10 days from now, it got matter in here one echo.
Wait, let me welcome video. Wait. Let me welcome. No, give a hand. Let him disappear. Got one chance here, miss here. Disappear now. Let's go. I will carry on myself. No, let's go.
Pocket of the mood. The manager can make up with a house.
Hide with white cloth.
Yeah, man, he may sell.
If you are a neighbor, you are not invited here. Leave here. Then you leave. Oh, yeah. Carry that cloth, tie with white cloth. Let's go. Let's go with that. Then carry this one. Carry this one with you. Carry this one. Remove this one, Oga. Carry it. Remove. Yeah, carry it and follow us. Carry both this one. This one. Carry this. This. Carry this one. Let's go. Yeah. Oh, yeah, we watch. No.
Yeah, we are watching the guy.
Look, what's up, man? Well. So that the suspect.